It's finally happening. AI is replacing graphic designers. If you guys haven't seen dall-e 3, it's completely a game changer. I'm gonna do a quick screen share on how I'm currently using it. I've never done this before, so it's gonna be a whole new process for you, but jump right into the screen share. So here we go. I came up with a basic prompt on how to create a thumbnail for a YouTube image. I haven't tried it with this prompt yet, so let's see how it comes up. I jump into ChatGPT. Their new dall-e 3, it's in beta. I just started using this the other day and I was incredibly impressed. It does realistic renders, cartoons, with all the same features as ChatGPT. So first off, before I ask it to create something for me, I'm gonna ask it to improve my prompt. So I literally just put something in there, please make this better. Like, I use very simple prompts all the time and I get incredible results with that. So right now it's gonna make my prompt more realistic, give it more details. So I'm using the AI version of ChatGPT to improve the prompt. The next thing I'm going to do is, it says, would you like me to proceed with generating an image? Yes, I would. Yes. And we're off to the races. It's creating an image. I don't know what this is going to look like, but it's really exciting because they're better than what most graphic designers can do. And it all comes down to how you prompt it. But the really cool thing is you can give it a whole bunch of information and have it create a prompt. So one of the things I'm going to try is giving it my entire YouTube script and then say, with this script, come with a description for a cover image. And then with that cover image description, then go ahead and make me an image. So let's see, it just loaded it and wow. I mean, are you guys not impressed? Now I could do an overlay with text. I can also ask it to do text. I'll probably still end up using Canva and doing an overlay, but this is 100% copyright free. I just designed this in, that was literally the entire thing. I don't even need to show you guys other videos. I would say, you know, try different things, experiment with it, give it different prompts. But one of the things I'm most excited about is if you're a YouTuber or you're creating content, I like to basically give ChatGPT all my content and create my description, my title, things like that with different prompts. But I can go ahead and take all of this in there and say, now create a converting thumbnail for this video and optimize it for YouTube and use these dimensions, and then boom. So here it is. That's the entire video. Guys, if you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe. I appreciate it, and ask me any questions. Thank you.